Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam told us, when my ummah will accept as lawful 5 things, then destruction will become upon them. Number 1, cursing and insulting and swearing. Very normal now. Husband and wife curse each other all the time. Very normal. They curse their friends. They curse. Now they just say it very easily on the internet. There's symbols and there's, I don't want to say them, but it's very normal. People laugh about them. Ha ha ha, oh you're such a, and bang. The worst of words. Alcohol drinking becomes normal. Wearing silk for men. This is a metaphor. It can either mean physically they wear silk, which because it's haram for men to wear silk. But what it means figuratively is that men will imitate women a lot. Rasulullah ﷺ said, and women will imitate men as well, of course. He also said, sallallahu alayhi wasallam, the ummah will hire dancing women in their functions, in restaurants, in weddings, and so on and so forth. And number 5, men serve their sexual desire with men, women serve it with women. Don't we have gay imams now? I say imam, not sheikh, because imam means a leader, a destructive leader. Rasulullah ﷺ is highlighting that it will be among the ummah of Rasulullah ﷺ, among the Muslims.